everybody, it's Alicia, and today I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 side hustles for women. Number 1 is being a virtual assistant. This is always in high demand. Businesses, small and large, always need virtual assistants. Number 2 is being a freelance writer. And with all that's going on with AI right now, being a writer is easier than ever. Number 3 is social media management. Hey, social is everything. So if you love social media, look at being a social media manager. Number 4 is e-commerce. So getting into e-commerce, even if you're doing it for clients or doing it for yourself, it's a really good thing to look into. Number 5 is content creation. Content will always be king and queen. So if you love content creation, it's a great thing to do as a freelancer. And for more tips and training, go to freelancinggenius.com. Bye for now.